My name is Erica, and I have such joy in supporting the well-being of others. And for this video, I'm talking about health and wellness and how nurses can be their healthiest selves. So I invite you in this moment to ask yourself, what do I need to do to be my healthiest self? And as you're asking yourself that question, it's so important that you recognize how you being at your healthiest self allows you then to live your best life and to practice at the highest level for the greatest good of others. And as nurses, by our very own profession, by our training, by the culture of nursing, we know how to be healthy and what we need to do, because we support that in others. Our profession demands us to help others be at their healthiest. So we know what to do. So why are so many of us unhealthy? Why are we not caring for ourselves? Why are we not investing in our own health? And so today, I really want to emphasize how important it is that we value our own health at the level in which we value supporting the health of others. And that we recognize that us being healthy and doing what we need to do to take care of our own health helps others to rise to the level as they see us being healthy, as they see us as a model of health. And as I was training in nursing school, I remember in the back of my head, as I'm learning all of these health strategies and what I needed to do to help others to be at their healthiest, how I needed to work hard to support the health of others, that in the back of my head, I knew that I needed to do it too. And if I was going to teach others how to eat properly, what they needed to do to exercise, how to stop negative health habits, that I needed to do that myself, that I needed to model the way, and that it was necessary for me to be the best nurse that I wanted to be, that I always want to be. And I needed to do it so that I could have the energy and I could be sustained to do the best work and to care for others and to uplift systems at the highest level possible, because I was operating at my highest self. It's important that we don't just recognize the value of that, the value of us being healthy, but that we take action steps to be healthy. That rather than just jumping and eating that pint of ice cream, that we stop and think, is this going to give me the energy to sustain me and my body to be at my highest level of functioning, to be my healthiest self? And as we continue to ask ourselves that question, we may make another choice, a healthier choice of what we want to ingest in our body in that moment so that we can be our healthiest. And over time, as I practice this, it's definitely been a process. It's definitely ebbs and flows, that over time, I've been making healthier choices to be healthier. As I know that when I don't do that, I don't have the energy. I don't feel as good. I'm not at my best. So I recognize and I take steps to eat healthier, as I know I should, to move more, to have people and things around me that make me feel good, to go to the doctor when I'm not feeling well, to keep up with my own health appointments, to listen to what my body needs, and to follow through to support my body to be at its best. And sometimes we have not so good days, right? We're human. Sometimes we're drained or exhausted. We've given so much of ourselves, we just want to pig out. And that's just a human experience. And we must hold self-compassion for ourselves in those moments, recognizing that we're human and that we're not always going to be at our best. But even in our worst moments, we can still have the intention to do our best, to care for ourselves in the best way possible, and to do those healthy practices that we know we need to do to sustain ourselves, no matter how small, and to continue building on that intention, remembering to value our health enough to take the steps to engage in healthy practices that are going to sustain us, and to make that a part of our routine and our life, because we matter. Because our health matters too. It's not just about caring for others and caring for the world, but it's about doing the same for us. And that as much as we value the health of others and supporting the health and influencing health outcomes and all that we do, that we're also supporting the health of ourselves, and that matters just as much. So as you continue to engage in this journey of supporting your own health, I invite you to always take the time to nurse yourself.